The Indian Navy remains ever ready in the service of the nation and whole of humanity, working tirelessly with the motto of Har Kaam Desh Ke Naam. This time, Indian Navy has come up with a really unique way to serve the humanity, not just onshore, but even amid raven clouds. With the installation of Medical Intensive Care Unit on board Advanced Light Helicopter HAL Dhruv, the Indian Navy is set to save lives of critical patients even in the air. Be it in the fight against COVID-19 or braving the rough weather amid cyclonic storms like Taukte or Yash, advanced medical facilities will be provided in the air ambulance of the Indian Navy. The Medical Intensive Care Unit installed in the aircraft has the following medical facilities: 2 sets of defibrillators, ventilators, medical oxygen support, multi-para monitors, syringe pumps, and the suction system to clear segregation in the mouth or airway of the patient. The system has a backup of 4 hours and can easily be operated on the aircraft power supply. Further, the aircraft can easily convert it into an air ambulance within 2 to 3 hours. The Advanced Light Helicopter AHL Dhruv Mk3 is designed and developed entirely in India and comes with a twin engine with multi-mission weight class of 5.5 tons. The multi-role chopper has been manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and powered by a Shakti engine, and the low-frequency dunking sonar installed in the aircraft is developed by the Kochi-based Naval Physical and Oceanography Laboratory. The aircraft is designed for undertaking low visibility search and rescue operations and comes with a .7 mm gun for low intensity maritime operations. The Mk3 version of the aircraft has a class cockpit along with an automatic flight control system that provides flawless stealth power. Further, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the state-owned aerospace and defense company, will deliver 7 medical intensive care units to the Indian Navy shortly. This is it in today's section. Thanks for watching.